Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I am going to talk about my hair. Lately you guys have been obsessing over my hair, and under every video I get at least one comment saying that my hair looks so pretty and that you guys want a tutorial, so here it is. There's really not much to it. I'm also going to show you some cute aesthetic hairstyles that I personally use as well, and that are so easy and simple. You don't need any heat or anything. They're really easy. Let's just get started. So this is my hair. First of all, I like to say, I know it's a lot. It's driving me crazy, but we've been in lockdown for a couple of months. I can't go to the hairdresser, so it's getting really long though. 1.5 years ago, I cut my hair till here. That was horrible. I look like a boy. So I do have curtain bangs, kind of. They're growing out, so they're kind of getting just normal layers, but that's okay. They're still kind of cute. It's not really looking gorgeous right now. Right now it's just weird. So I'm going to talk about what I do with my hair to kind of get it like this. This is my shampoo and conditioner. They're from Function of Beauty. You might have heard of this. No, not sponsored. I paid for this myself and I'm wet now. That's great. Anyways, really nice products. They are. I don't know if I'm willing to spend another $50 on this, but I do definitely like them. They smell so good. I'm sorry. They definitely did make a difference in my hair, like not a huge difference, but I definitely did notice that my hair changed. That's what I use. So when I get out of the shower, I don't blow dry my hair unless I have to be somewhere within an hour, but I usually shower in the evening, so that's almost never the case. What I use after I shower is this. This is the Bedhead TG Superstar Volume Spray. Really good product. This was like only €6. So cheap. The only thing that actually gives my hair volume. I know it's not a lot if you look at it, but for me, this is absolutely magic. I'm not kidding. My hair is so thin and so flat and has no volume at all, so that I actually found a product that is willing to work with my hair is a miracle. So what you do is you spray on your roots. I do it here, and then I kind of separate it like this, and then I also spray over here and over here. What I do after that is I just basically let it air dry, and I just kind of keep going with my hair like this. Every few minutes I throw my hair to the other side, let it air dry like that until it's dry, because I feel like that gives my hair so much more volume. It becomes like more playful, because if I don't, it's just straight and flat and not the prettiest. I will link this down below, by the way. So this is what my hair looks like when I just brush it. Sometimes I kind of brush it back in the front, and then my kind of almost gone curtain bangs have some more volume as well and be a little bit more playful. So that's basically what I do. It's really not a lot, but my hair just doesn't really work with anything. So now on to hairstyles. I have 8 hairstyles for you. They're super cute and aesthetic. So I'm gonna use this for 4 hairstyles. So anyways, let's just get started. First I'm gonna do the hairstyles with the clip. First I want to give a shout out to this video by Lily Logan. I'm so sorry. 3 out of the 4 hairstyles that I'm about to show you I learned from her, so I want to say thank you to her. I don't know what I would have done without these hairstyles. Go check it out. She also talks about another hairstyle that I'm not going to include because my hair is not going to work with that. So yes. Now we can get started. So this is the first hairstyle. It's kind of like a low bun with a clip. It's really not that hard. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab all of my hair. Can you see me? You're gonna grab your hair all together, and then you kind of do this. And you just kind of make a bun. And you just kind of pull your hairs out in the front. And that is basically it. I know it's not the prettiest, but that's not the point. You get what I'm going for, right? So that is basically it. I think this one is so cute. So that is basically the first hairstyle. I think it's so cute. It's absolutely so cute. So this is the second hairstyle. It's kind of in some way a little bit similar, but it's also different, and I absolutely think this is so cute, and I think I would actually like wear this to a party or something. So I'm just gonna show you how to do this. So you start by doing the same. You grab all of your hair together, and then you roll it up. Then you bring it up, and then you bring it back down again, and then you clip it together like that. And that is basically what that looks like. Kind of have those front parts again. So cute. That is basically it. I absolutely love this one. So that is that for the second hairstyle. So this is the third hairstyle. It's kind of like a ponytail kind of situation, but it's so simple and so cute, and I've known this for years and years now, and I think it's really cute, especially if you have like really long hair. You basically start doing the same again. You grab all of your hair together and then you roll it up like that, and then you take it up and then you grab your thingy and you put it like that. And that is it. This one is so cute. My hair is kind of being weird for this today, but I do think this is so cute and it's so easy. But I think this is so cute. So cute. I just feel cute with this. So that is it for this hairstyle. So this is the fourth hairstyle. It's also the last one with the claw clip. This one is kind of like a half up, half down situation, but also with like a bun. And it's really cute. It's kind of simple, but you know, still cute. So you're gonna grab the front parts of your hair, obviously. Make it look pretty. I'm gonna turn around now. What you're gonna do, you're gonna turn it around, of course, again. And then you make it into a bun. And then you clip it. And that is basically that hairstyle. You kind of put the fronts again. I will show you some more of how it looks like right now. So that were all of the hairstyles with the claw clip. For the next hairstyle, I'm actually gonna use a scrunchie. So this is the next hairstyle. It's basically a low bun, but it's so cute, and you know, I want to include this one because it's so easy, but it looks so cute and kind of aesthetic. So what you do, we're gonna go do this again. We're gonna take all of the hair, then we're gonna do this. And then you roll it up like that, make a little bun, and then you add a scrunchie to it. And that is it. It's so not hard, and I actually got that in one time. I'm so proud of myself. This is also like so stylish and like kind of classy and like good enough to wear to like a party, but you know, it's so cute, it's fast, it's easy. So that is it for that one. So next hairstyle is something that I kind of created myself by looking at pictures. I was just looking for cute hairstyles, and then I kind of thought, I think I can do this. And then I tried it out and it worked, and it looks actually very cute. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So for this hairstyle, I'm going to use 2 of these. Oh my god, I don't have to turn around for this. Okay, so for this, you're going to grab, like just around your ear, you're going to grab a piece of hair. We're going to turn it around again, like pretty high and far up, and then you're gonna grab a clip and you're gonna put it like there. I think that looks kind of okay. So now I'm gonna do the same to the other side. So I'm just gonna grab my hair right above my ear. Now I have this part again, so I just kind of do that. I think they're kind of even, and that is the other side as well. I think this is so cute, and especially if you have long hair. So yeah, I think it's so cute. Let me show you from the back before my battery's dead. This is the other side. So that is that hairstyle. So the next hairstyle is one that I'm pretty sure you have seen before maybe. They're kind of like these half ponytails on the side, which I think are so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do this. It's really not that hard. First, of course, you're gonna have to separate your hair into sections. You just kind of grab it all together. Make sure the front parts are out if you want that. Then you just tie your hair nice and tight. You don't really want it to be too loose unless that's what you want. You can do that. You just kind of get them through there. So I'm gonna do it on the other side now as well. You grab all of your hair, you tie it, you pull it through, but not all the way. You can still pull it, make it a bit fluffier. I think this looks so adorable. So that is that hairstyle. And then this is the last hairstyle. It's kind of similar to what we've done before. It's also a little bit similar to my last hairstyle, but I think it's cute. So I just wanted to include it. It's not hard at all. You probably already guessed how to do it, but I'm still gonna show you. So first, you grab again like the front parts of your hair and get those front parts out again. So here we are, and I'm just gonna grab my tie and I'm gonna start making a ponytail again. And then at some point, you're gonna pull it through, but not all the way. And then kind of do it like that, and then you have that. It could look better, but this is what we're dealing with. So, I think this is so cute, and it's like a little bit more interesting than just a normal ponytail like this. So that was the last hairstyle. So those were the 8 hairstyles. I really hope you like them. Let me know if you tried them out and which one was your favorite. I don't know which one's my favorite. I definitely do like all of them, and I really hope you do too, but I think I already said that. So anyways, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see, because you have been giving a lot of suggestions lately. Anyways, I hope I will see you in my next video.